Welcome to my channel Natural Cures. Women may feel frustrated when they see their hair strands falling out of you day after day, and this is a normal feeling. Fortunately, as well as preparations that deal with hair loss, techniques, and versions of them are natural recipes that can be used to get rid of the problem of hair loss. Fruit described as superfruit for its tremendous benefits on hair and rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and carotene. All this made it a popular alternative medicine hair care product. Did you guess what tropical fruits we're talking about? We are talking about the guava fruit that uses the paper made from it as a solution to hair loss. Benefits are the benefits of guava leaves for hair, and how can you get it from guava leaves to treat hair loss? Here are the details below. Benefits of guava leaves for hair. Rich in a wide range of nutrients that benefit the health of your hair, the most important of which is vitamin B, which is valued for the healthy growth of your hair and works to maintain it. Vitamin B group home accessories. The vitamin C present in guava leaves helps to promote collagen activity and faster, healthier hair growth. Guava leaf's antioxidant properties and fighting free radicals prevent hair damage. It contains providing UV rays, providing an effect from UV rays. Besides new hair loss and stimulating new hair growth, guava leaves are very effective in treating scalp infections, treating dandruff, and improving scalp health to prevent graying of hair and strengthen the roots. How to prepare guava leaf lotion to treat hair loss. Put a liter of water in a bowl, then put it on the stove until it boils. Add the guava leaves to the water and let it boil for 20 minutes. Remove the pot from the stove and leave it until it cools to room temperature. After that, strain the boiling leaves to get the liquid lotion. Wash your hair with shampoo and then water and leave your hair until it becomes dry, then apply the resulting boiled guava leaves. Massage your scalp well for at least 10 minutes, until the guava leaf lotion is distributed over the entire scalp. When doing this, leave your scalp covered with guava leaf lotion for 2 hours and then wash the hair with lukewarm water or leave it overnight and wrap your hair in a towel until morning. We recommend that you use guava lotion 3 times a week if you suffer from hair loss to accelerate hair growth and stop hair loss. Causes of hair loss. Before starting any hair loss treatment, the methods to prevent it begin. Genetic factors. It is the most common cause of hair loss. The problem of hair loss is passed down through generations, and a person is corrected according to the history of their relatives. When hair falls out, it causes hair to fall out, and it gets thinner. Deficiency of vitamins. Hair bulb cells are affected by a deficiency in iron and vitamins D. This deficiency from the normal range is one of the main causes of hair loss. Fungi. Redness and itching caused by fungi in the scalp, hair loss. This problem is most prominent in nurseries. Pregnancy, childbirth and breastfeeding. A child who has sex during pregnancy, there is development in childbirth, natural childbirth, during natural childbirth, during childbirth. Menopause. Passengers around the clock. Stress. The more stressful you are, the more anxious you are, and the psychological pressure at work and public life, the more hair will fall out. Always keep calm and dressed. Please subscribe and likes and commenter.